are trying to keep it in a natural way like this, guys. It's just a little healthy drink, but I kind of treat on it with a little bit of ginger beer. So it's just ginger beer, orange, and carrot with some honey all together. It's just brilliant with some ice. It's just summer is coming up very soon. You know what I mean? So we want to start something really fantastic for you guys. Basically, I want to say, hopefully, you guys like my cookbook and get a copy of the cookbook and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for the time watching my video. And I'll leave in the comments. We got a lot more stuff coming out. I'm gonna spend some time and get back to my fans and second fans. Have a wonderful time. Enjoy this with Chef Ricardo and the team. See you next time. Bye bye. Today I'm gonna make you a fresh, lovely drink. Basically, I'm gonna do a little trick this on it by simply use some ginger beer inside of it. But the first thing we would need to do is this. I'm gonna make some carrot and orange juice and ginger beer. So make sure you get all of these out of it, just like this. Lovely. So if I do two of them, because I got this orange, this side I want to use them up. This is really good to do your orange, guys. Can catch it, and it's just brilliant. If you don't have one of these, to be honest, you can squeeze it like this. But this is just brilliant. So that's the orange juice. All right. Second thing, this is my thing which I'm gonna pour it in. I'm gonna pour it like this inside of it to see if I catch anything else. No, didn't catch anything else. Alright, right over here I have some carrot, which I'm already cut up. Peel, I mean, sorry. So all I'm gonna do is this. Cut it up, pour it straight inside of this. Nice and lovely. So that's one carrot. It's gonna be two. Two carrot. But the beauty is, you might have said, Chef Ricardo, why are you wasting the ginger beer? Look at this, guys. Then we're gonna put some ginger beer in like this to blend it. Alright? We don't play with things when we make the recipe. Alright? Then, next thing. Gotta get some honey. Squeeze it inside of it like this. Roughly about 2 tablespoons of honey. And all you're gonna do is cover it like this. And we're gonna blend this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright? Nice. So that's finished blended. Alright? Get back this strainer one over here. Just like this. And just give it a shake. And all you're gonna do is pour it in like this. Look at that steam coming out of it. Lovely. So we want this to go down. All of those juice out of it. Out of it. Out of it. Lovely. That's fine. So put this in the rubbish bin. Put that on the side. Make sure your ear are clear and nice. Lovely. So this is what exactly Chef Ricardo been talking about when he said ginger beer and orange juice and carrot. Next, get a few percent thick ices. Just straight inside of a glass. Pour it down like this. Fresh, nice, lovely, and relax to drink, guys. Seriously, give it a go at home. I did one the other day. Everyone love it. So this is exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about right here with this drink. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my cooking show.